If you're a creative trying to showcase your work online, you've probably come across both Behance and Adobe Portfolio. But here's the thing, most people don't actually understand the difference between them. Today, we're breaking down which one you should be using in 2026. And before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You don't want to miss future breakdowns like this. Overview. Let's get this straight. Behance is a social platform. Think of it like Instagram for creatives. It launched back in 2005 and Adobe acquired it in 2012. Adobe Portfolio, on the other hand, is a website builder that came out in 2016. Two completely different tools with two completely different purposes, but they work together. Pricing and access. Adobe Portfolio is included free with Adobe Creative Cloud, Plans, Photography, Single App, or All Apps. If you don't have Creative Cloud, you'll need Behance Pro at $9.99 per month to access Adobe Portfolio. Behance itself is completely free for everyone. Discoverability, the game changer. This is where things get interesting. With Behance, your work gets discovered through their algorithm, the For You page, search features, and community engagement. You're tapping into millions of creatives who can find, appreciate, and share your work. Adobe Portfolio? You're building your own website with a custom domain, but you need to drive traffic yourself through SEO, social media, or direct outreach. Professional branding. Here's a critical difference. Behance profiles always show behance.net/yourname. You cannot change that. Adobe Portfolio lets you connect a custom domain like yourname.com, which looks far more professional when sending to clients. SEO capabilities. Adobe Portfolio's SEO is basic, you get meta descriptions, and that's about it. The keywords field you see is actually for Behance syncing, not Google ranking. Don't expect to rank high on Google with Portfolio alone. Behance handles discoverability through its internal platform, not through search engines. Features and functionality. Behance Pro gives you password protection, link-only sharing, project scheduling, zero platform fees if you're selling services, and advanced analytics on who's viewing your work. Adobe Portfolio integrates seamlessly with Behance. Your Behance projects automatically import to Portfolio, and you can publish up to 5 separate Portfolio websites. So, which is better? Here's the truth. They're not competitors, they complement each other. Use Behance if you want exposure, community engagement, and discovery. You're looking to network, get hired through their job board, or sell freelance services with zero platform fees. Use Adobe Portfolio if you need a professional, standalone website with a custom domain to send to clients, agencies, or employers. You want full control over your branding. Best strategy? Use both. Build your work on Behance for discovery and community, then sync it to Adobe Portfolio for a professional website you can brand as your own. If you already have Creative Cloud, Portfolio is free anyway. That's the breakdown. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more tech comparisons. Check the description for links to both platforms. See you in the next one.